to take my food at 3 a.m.
Oh, they're calling now.
Swarm of
Sky.
bees!
Oh, wow.
It's a swarm of bees!
Here.
Bees!
Come here, Sky.
The army ascends!
Oh, over here. Sky.
Come now, my army. Ascend!
Wow, perfect. This is perfect timing, right? Wow, the armies of bees.
That's ants trying to take my food at
Look.
3 a.m.
Huh?
Ants trying to take my food at 3 a.m.
Wow.
What does it say?
Look at that.
ทางนี้ขออยากขยับไปฝั่งนู้นครับพอดีอยู่ใต้ต้นมากเกินไปครับฝั่งต้นเสาไฟนะครับ
Over there, come on. Look, Ocean, Sky.
What does it say?
Here, it's
That's
over there.
under it.
Huh? Hi.
Wow!
What is that?
I'm confused. I think it's supposed to be a girl. Hey yo, the green one said, no, I like going on my own. The red one is the leader. Follow me, the bees. Hey yo, that guy is like running for his life. Like,
Okay. If it is low but already, it's going down, see? It's going down slow. Look, what's that?
a girl!
What? Wow.
Wow, it's a girl. How did they do this in 3 seconds?
Hmm?
I looked away. It's a girl.
No.
They're changing it.
They're changing it again. They're forming another one.
How do they do that? I'm confused. This is the
Whoa,
first
perfect.
time ever in my life.
Really?
Yeah.
It's perfect.
I think there's a
Look.
form a
Oh.
man.
Buddha.
It's a Buddha. How do they make it a girl into a Buddha? Dun, dun,
Wow,
dun, dun.
perfect, right?
It's so
Wow, it's so perfect
pretty.
timing.
So pretty.
Huh?
So
You stay there,
pretty.
you stay there, you stay. Look at me, look at me. Look at me, Ocean. This guy, wow. Go, this guy.
And they're changing it. It's an elephant.
What?
It's an elephant. Oh, it's an elephant. It's a butterfly elephant.
What is that?
I don't know. Oh, I see it better. It's a gong. It's like you know,
Here,
those
what? Here, they are
gods,
just behind us. See, it's there.
constellation.
Installation.
It's like those. Yeah, they're changing it. Hurry up!
Hey. What is that? Red?
It's somebody doing like this.
What?
It's flowing. This is so amazing.
Wow, perfect. Look, they're moving now. Wow, Irish Mommy, Ocean, and Kuya and Nanay are here. Right?
Luckily, you told me.
Luckily,
Let's see what they don't stop.
don't stop
Let's
the
see
music.
every character. It's a girl.
What's that?
Yay!
Wow.
It's a fairy.
It's a fairy. Wow,
Oh.
perfect.
There's fire.
Here, come here. Wow, it's there. Yes.
Oh my god.
God.
No!
Where it's falling down.
Oh, that's firework.
Ah, that's fine, huh? Changing again.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, Christmas.
That's now Santa Claus.
It's a Father Christmas.
Yeah. No, it's holding a stick.
Oh, really?
It's the boogeyman.
Boogeyman.
No, I'm joking. It's like those guys wearing those capes with
Look, look.
that and something.
It's changing again.
It's gonna be a girl. I know. And then it will stop and then boom. head. Oh, it's a girl like this. See, it's a human.
Oh, changing that. Wow, perfect.
My eyes are hurting already.
Why?
Don't change it. Hey, yo, what's the red thing in there?
Oh, changing color
It
again.
changes every time.
Ah, here they're moving again.
It's a man. It's a man. Look. The elephant. No, it's a man.
It's an elephant.
No, it's a man. Man with short legs. Oh no, the other one's moving. Oh, phew. I thought it was gonna fall down. It's a creeping man.
Will fall on you.
No. It's so big.
Wow.
It changes every time. If Mama asks, "Hey, why are you late?" then just say, "Because of this." No! That one is down!
Fell down.
Take a video of the dead one. Oh, never mind. It's already showing. Wow. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, yo, those are moving. Hey, yo, they're making it move like the clothes. Like the wearing of clothes, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's wiggling.
They can even draw way better than me. They can draw way
Really?
better with just a few drones than me.
Oh,
I can't even draw with a pew and there'll be a picture. But I
they're
can't.
good, they're
Look. It's money. No, it's a Buddha and a coin. It's a gun. No, it's a boat. It's a boat. Ah!
Perfect.
Dun, dun, dun. Minions, arise. It's a 10-baht coin. It's a 10-baht coin. It's a 10-baht coin. It's a 10-baht coin. Look. Stay there. It's a 10-baht coin. It's a 10-baht coin.
We are lucky now. It's moving again.
No, the small one. It's gonna be a girl because look. No, it's a cube. Don't you see? It's a cube. I think that's the platform. No, they're gonna be moving back.
Oh yeah, they're going down already.
I guess yay. Goodbye. That's for ice cream now. This is hurting my eyes. My eyes.
They're going down now. Look,
Oh.
they're
What's wrong
going
with that?
down.
Oh, that guy's funny.
Stay there, go. They're going down now.
Bye-bye!
Wait. They are charging, I think.
No! It's not yet the end. I didn't buy my ice cream yet, so come on.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, they're dead. Let's go get ice cream.
Where are we going?
Huh?
Where are we going?
Ice cream.
Wow, perfect.
Not again. I didn't buy my ice cream yet.
I think they don't have
There! Look!
Ice cream.
Look! First, me, look. That's me.
ใช่ค่ะมีเหลือถ้วยเหลือขนมปังจะถ้วยเล็ก25นี่นะอันนี้นะคะ
ช่องอะไรนะครับ
ส่งอันนะคะ
Yay! You can eat too!
คนประเทศอะไรอะลูกพ่อประเทศอะไรอ๋อหน้าคนไทยมากเลย
ไม่ได้คนใด
ภาษาอังกฤษเก่งมาก
cream.
Bye bye. I already got my ice cream.